Oh my God! Why?
Oh, thank God. Damn it.
Wow! Jesus Christ. Oh my.
What is it? Jesus Christ.
Boom. Boom.
Oh my God.
And don't forget to remind your dad when he arrives.
We're up to our elbows in cash, and there's nobody that even knows about it.
Best way to spread Christmas cheer is singing loud for all to hear. I'm singing! I'm in a store and I'm singing!
That's right. That's right.
There's just one thing I need. I don't care about the presents underneath the Christmas tree. I just want you for my own, more than you could ever know. Make my wish come true.